Hello students, so let us start with the next exercise of chapter 6. Exercise 6.5. In this exercise you need to just add or subtract, but the numbers will be the decimals, right? So first question is find the sum of, we need to add. While adding or subtracting the decimals, we need to pay attention that these points will come in a row, right? These points will write one after the other and the numbers will adjust accordingly. Suppose, see here, or we can convert it into like fractions and then add after decimal 3 up till 3 places. So here also we'll make 3, here also we'll make 3, and then we can add, right? But we need to pay attention that this point should be aligned, right? This point will come one down the other. So 0.002, 8.340 and 25.080 we will add directly and the point will come in a line, right? Second also, addition is simple, just this part is the place where you can make mistakes. Point will come one after the other, will not see whether the digits are 3 digits or 4 digits. Just we'll put the point one after the other and then we will adjust the digits accordingly. Suppose here though no number was there, only it is 2.6, so I'll add 2 zeros here, okay? And then addition is simple, 2, 9, 0, 0 is 9, 8 and 6 is 14, 4, 1 carry, 6 and 1, 7 and 3, 10, 10 and 2, 12, 2 and 1 carry, 2 and 1, 3. So this. Next again addition, simple addition, just you need to pay attention to the point. In this also, see it was only 1, right? So I have written 1 point because I need to align the point, 1 point, and zeros I have added because 1 if I am writing and 1.00 if I am writing, the meaning is same, right? So similarly we'll write here I have added 2 zeros because it was only 2.5 and then we can add the digits. Question number 2, again it is find the value of, right? We need to add 16.1, 1.61, 161 and 116. This also, just you need to pay attention that decimal will come one after the other and then you need to add simple addition, right? Here also you'll write 6 point, here maximum up till 3 places of decimals, so here 2 zeros and here 1 zeros will be adding, and after that we have to add all the numbers. There here 6 and 6, 12, 2 and 1, 6, 12 and 18, 18 and 1, 19, right? 19, 9 and 1 carried, again here it is 19, 9 and 1 carried, 6 and 1, 7, so 79.926 is the answer. Next also similar addition, just you need to pay attention in the decimal. Third question is find the sum of, when the units you will pay attention if it is given in rupees, the final answer will be in rupees, and directly addition part you have to do 32.40, 16.75, right? 5, 4 and 7, 11, 1 and 1, 6, 6 and 2, 8 and 1, 9, 3 and 1, 4, so 49.15. 0.82 meter plus 13.45 meter. So point decimal and then we'll directly add Coming to the fourth question, write the next three terms of each pattern. See here we can see 3, 5, 7. We are moving with odd numbers, right? So next will be 9, right? 0.009, next will be 0.11, and next will be 0.13. Here 0.11, 0.22, 0.33, we can see we are moving with the table of 11, or we are moving adding 11. So 3 after 3, 0.44, 0.55, 0.66 is the answer. Okay. Next question. Gagan buys books for 56.50 rupees and pencil and geometry box also of the given amount. How much he has to pay for the purchase? What you have to do? How much you have to pay? You write all the cost individually. Cost of books, cost of pencils, cost of geometry box, right? And then you are going to add here also decimal. In whenever you are adding or subtracting decimal places, first thing you'll pay attention is you'll put the decimal one below the other. Okay, see a 0, 5, 10, 15, 5 and 1 carried, 6 and 6, 12, 12 and 2, 14 and 1, 15, 5 and 1 carried, 5 and 6, 6 for 10, 10 to 12. So 125.50 is the answer. Okay. So now after fifth question, sixth is see total length of the cloth you need to find, right? So cloth for t-shirt equals to cloth for trouser equals to, and you will add. Sixth question I have not done, that is your homework. Moving on to the seventh question. The weight of 3 lifts is given. You need to find the total weight. So first lift, second lift and third lift you will write, and then you can add 9 and 8, 17, 17 and 5, 22, 2 and 2 carried, 5, 6, 7, 7 and 2, 9, right? 9, 3 and 3, 6, 6 for 10, 0, 1, and 4 times 1 is 4. So the answer is 409.2 kg. Next, moving on to the next exercise. Rest of the questions. The most of the questions PDF I have sent along with the video, because this is simple addition and subtraction questions, so I'm not explaining much of the part. Just the main thing you need to pay attention is you need to write the decimal one after the other. So moving on to the next exercise, subtract, right? So you just need to subtract. Here also you need to pay attention to the decimal places, right? While subtracting, it is given that subtract. So from means second number will be written first, and then this number, first number, will be subtracted, right? It is saying that first number has to be taken out or has to be subtracted from the second number, right? So second number will be written first, and then it will be first number will be subtracted. So here 0, 5 cannot be subtracted from 0, so we will take the borrow from 2, right? Similarly, we will take the borrow from 8. This will be 7. Here it will be 1. Here it will be again 9, and we will take a borrow 1 here, right? So it is now 11, and here it is 10. We can subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 8 is 3. Right? 9 minus 7 is 2. decimal we'll put 7 minus 1 is 6 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So our answer is 1.235, right? Second also, this number will be subtracted from this, right? You can go through this question. 9.99 minus 5.55, 9 minus 5, 4. Again 9 minus 5, 4 and 9 minus 5, 4, right? Question number 2. Again you need to find the value of, right? So 60 rupees you need to subtract 14.75 from 60 rupees. 60 rupees I can write it as 60.00, right? Because we need to subtract paise, so we will be writing it as 16 rupees and 00 paise. Now here 60 rupees, sorry, and now here it will be borrowed, right? This will be 5, 1, then this will be 9, 1, this will be 9 and this will be 1, right? 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 5 minus 1, here it is again 4, sorry, 9 minus 4, here it is 5, right? So answer is 45.25. Next, 36 minus 19, 0.36 minus 0.19 meter. Here whenever unit is given, you will pay attention in writing the unit, right? Next, third question is simplify. See, simplify, what we'll do first, we will solve the same sign questions, same sign numbers first, right? Suppose this nothing is given, means this is plus, this is minus and this is plus. So first I can do addition part, I'll add both the numbers and then I will subtract the answer from the answer. I'll subtract 22.36, right? Whenever simplify is given, I will do this. Why I will do this? What? That the numbers which are having same signs will be solved first, whether it is addition or subtraction, and then the number with the different sign, the answer of the number, first two numbers will be subtracted or added with the next number according to the sign, right? So this is simplify, only this part is different, that same sign will be solved first. So here I have added these two, then 102.00 I have subtracted 22.36. Then here also these two numbers are added first, and I can take minus sign common and I can add these two numbers also. Here both side minus sign is there, right? We know minus minus is plus, so we will take minus sign here and plus will be left. So we will add these two numbers and these two numbers, then the answer of these two will be subtracted because there is a subtraction sign between the two numbers. Okay, see, addition and subtraction part I am not explaining, it is quite simple. 10 minus 5, 15, see, 15 minus 6 is 9. So what basic difference is I am explaining, that rest addition and subtraction part you can easily solve. How much is the difference of 623.42 and 565.604 less than their sum? It is asking how much the difference is less than their sum. First we will write the difference, right? Then we'll find the sum. Difference means we'll subtract both the numbers, then we'll add both the numbers. Now what is asking, how much is the difference between the two, right? The question is asking how much is the difference between the two. So how will I find? Now I will subtract 1189.0 24, right, with 057.816. okay, so here I can see, I'll take common. Here it will be 8, 10, 9, 11 and 4, right? Now 14 minus 6 is 8, right? Then 1 minus 1 will be 0, right? Here it is now 10. Here it is 10 directly, because 1 we don't need to carry here. 1 minus 1 it can be done. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 5 is 3, and this 2 1. So the answer is 1131.208. Understood? After finding the difference and their sum, we need to find the difference of both the answers also. Okay, so this is the final answer, 1131.208, right? From a ribbon of length 17 meter, 2 pieces were cut. Find the length of the remaining part. What you have to do? This question I have not solved. What you have to do? You will add 9 meter and 3.35 meter. Why? Because from the total of 17 meter, these two are being cut, right? So you will add these two numbers, and the answer you will subtract it from 17 meter. You can get the final answer, right? Moving on to the 6th. By how much should 79.86 be decreased to get 37.062? So what we'll do, let it be decreased by x. 79.86 minus x will be 37.02, right? We have to decrease some number from this to get the answer as 37.062. so let us take that x, we don't know the number, so let us take that, let the x be subtracted, right? 79.86, and we'll subtract 37.062. so what will be the answer? 42 point, here I have subtracted 42.798, which means this number 79.86 should be decreased by 42.798 to get 37.092. okay, by how much should 33.825 should be increased to get 60? See, now this was to be decreased, so we have subtracted. This is to be increased, so we will start with let x be added, or let, right? So 33.852 plus x will be 60, right? So x will be, this will go in that side of equals to, and it will be, here it is in plus, so here it will be in minus 33.852, right? So we will subtract 60 minus 33.852, and we can get the answer for 7th question. I have just explained, just subtraction part you can do. I have not solved the 7th question. Moving on to the 8th one. Sum of two numbers is 100.5. If one of them is 62.9, find the other. Sum is given, one number is given, let us take the other number is x, right? Adding these two numbers, we are getting 100.5. So we will subtract the number, one number given from 100.5 to get the answer, right? Subtraction part here I have done. Now 9th question is, Ajay buys exercise book of for rupees 71.50 and cardboard sheets of rupees 13.50. He gives 100 to the shopkeeper. How much money will Ajay get back? How much will he get back? We'll first add the total of the amount which he had purchased the items, right? Exercise book, cost of exercise book and cost of cardboard sheet will add, which is 85. Now amount he had given is rupees 100, So what amount will the shopkeeper return? We will subtract 85 from 100, right? So 100 minus 85 is 15. So Ajay will get rupees 15 back by the shopkeeper, right? The questions of this decimal chapter are very simple. Just addition and subtraction should be strong, then you can solve. The only difference is decimal. You have to pay attention while putting the decimal, while writing the decimal, right?